こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make Asparagus Spring Rolls. This is a super quick and easy, but absolutely delicious snack. Just simply wrap an asparagus stalk in a sheet of spring roll pastry and shallow fry. That's it. The combination of the crispy exterior and the juicy tender asparagus is irresistible. Simply season with sea salt and black pepper to enjoy the full natural umami flavor of asparagus. Okay, let's get started. Trim off the bottom of all asparagus stalks. Use a vegetable peeler to peel the bottom third of the stalks to remove their woody exterior. Mix 1 teaspoon of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of water in a small bowl. This is for sealing the pastry. You can get the spring roll pastry in the frozen section at the Oriental supermarkets. Just thaw the pastry sheets overnight in the fridge before using. Lay a spring roll sheet on a work surface. Place an asparagus stalk on the bottom of the sheet. Lift up the sheet. Wrap and roll the asparagus stalk, keeping the tension tight to make a cylinder shape. Dip the tip of your finger in the flour water. Moisten the edge of the sheet. And then continue rolling to seal. Repeat with all the asparagus stalks. Cut them in half. Bring a frying pan to medium heat. Add enough olive oil for shallow frying. Place the wrapped asparagus in the frying pan, sealing the edge downward. Cook until golden on the bottom. Then turn and cook until golden on all sides. Be careful of oil splashes. Transfer to a serving plate. Sprinkle with sea salt and black pepper. And garnish with a lemon wedge if you want to brighten it up a little bit. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said, this is one of the best ways to enjoy asparagus. It's so simple, but highlights the inherent flavor of the asparagus. It's a perfect snack or appetizer for celebrating spring. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね